Now, the BJP is upset because LK Advani was seated in the fourth row during the swearing-in ceremony of the Vice President. No seat was allotted for leaders of the opposition in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha at the President's home, is what the BJP is claiming. The BJP says it's upset over the Congress's snub to senior opposition leaders and because Advani was not given a seat at the President's home. Let's go across to Tavleen, who's joining us with more details. Tavleen, is the BJP planning to bring up this issue?
See, they will be contemplating and discussing, and deliberations will be on within the senior leadership of the Bharatiya Janata Party as to how to take up this issue as far as the disappointment, point of view is concerned in terms of what LK Advani was meted out with at home of President as well as the Vice President's reception that took place just in the span of 1 week times. Now, in the Vice President, what happened was that he was seated at the fourth row, and only after the intervention of senior leaders of the BJP, he was moved forward, seating and seated at wherever all the senior leaders of the Congress as well as UPA chairperson was seated. What happened yesterday night was that he was not seated at the enclosure where the UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi was seated, and he said that the fact that he is the NDA chairperson, he deserves to be treated the same way. BJP is saying that not once has this happened when NDA was in power, when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister. So obviously very, very strong disappointment, and LK Advani, the senior most leader of the party, is absolutely upset. It will take some time before we know what exactly and how the BJP will strategize and take up this issue.